What's up? This is Must Try Mumbai, and today we are at Bene.
Yes, this is Mumbai's most happening dosa place. Let's go.
Alright, so this is our order.
And we have the place to ourselves.
Yeah, which is actually quite. I think we are the only people who've had it to
Yeah,
ourselves.
it's crazy. We were here about 30 minutes ago and
Yeah.
there wasn't place to stand, okay?
And we have only 30 minutes to
Yeah.
finish our food.
So this is a challenge.
Yeah, kind of.
So what have we got?
We've got the viral dosas. We have the plain dosa. We have the podi masala dosa. We have the plain idli and the vada. We have this idli, which is the ghee podi thatte idli. I've never tried this. I'm really looking forward to trying this. We also have something called akki roti. Again, something we've never had. We have, what is this?
The bisi bele bhat.
So that's our meal, and I can't
I
wait
think
to
you've
dig in.
passed. You've got a job here because you've memorized everything. really
Yeah, I
well.
should get a job, or at least a free meal every day. I would love that.
Should we dig in?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, what are you starting
I'm
with?
starting with the OG, I feel.
Okay, cheers first.
Yeah, this is the cold filter coffee. Ooh, so crispy.
I'm going in for a big chunk of butter.
That is yum.
That's so good.
So crispy.
That is so good.
Okay, I'm really looking forward to trying this.
I can't stop eating this.
Oh wow, it's huge. It's got some heat. Like I like that. Is that the podi? The heat? Oh wow. So this is the bisi bele bhat.
That's so good.
Wow, there's so much in it.
Yeah.
Are those like
I like
veggies?
The crunchy
There are veggies
bits,
in it.
the veggies, yeah. And everything is so tasty.
That's yum. I've never had this. Have you?
No, I mean I have it before, but it's so good. I feel like we're gonna be saying everything.
Yeah. This
Be
video is
prepared.
just us going, that's yum.
It's yum, yeah.
Yum.
And then we add some beets to it.
I'm gonna try the normal.
You have to
idli.
try this.
No, I have to try the normal idli. See, normal idli for me is the
Yeah,
standard.
you're like a
Like the
idli
standard. If you can
obsessed
do a
person.
normal idli well, then you pass. Nice. That chutney is too good, man. And I like how it's a little like watery. So it almost is like a gravy.
I'm not listening to you at all. Just
Thanks. I love working with you.
okay, so this is kind of like
It's an unknown. I don't
chicken
think.
karak. I've never tried this.
Yeah,
no.
I've never even heard the name akki roti.
No.
It's apparently made with rice flour.
This is so different.
And obviously everything comes here with the nice helping of bene, which is butter.
It's so good. The dill inside it is just amazing. Like,
Oh yeah.
I've never had this before, but it's just like
And lovely texture.
yeah.
Like we've had those steamed neer dosas which are,
Yeah.
softer, but this is fried. So
I get why people are waiting for an hour in line.
yeah. So this place opens up at 7 in the morning, which is insane for a
7
city
to
like
11.
Yeah, for a city like Bombay, and they shut at 11:30, which is crazy. Okay, let's have the crunchy vada, which by the way was my most favorite as a kid.
Really?
Yeah, I would only eat the vadas. I never tried dosas or idlis. Vada was my
But you're
most
such an
favorite.
idli guy now.
I am, because I think I've switched because it's not fried and steamed.
Oh.
So that's why.
If you had to pick one dish on the table as your favorite, what would it be?
If it's a question of if I come back, which is not an if, when I come back, I will definitely get the plain dosa.
Were you kidding? When you come back, you're not ordering one thing ever.
Yeah, but I'm saying for sure, like
Okay.
100% I'm getting the plain dosa because I
Okay.
think that is a no-brainer. And I'm also getting this idli, which has a long name, but I love it.
For me, it's the podi masala. I mean, I can't stop eating it. It's just
Oh, I'm not trying
so
the masala.
good.
Why do you look so slow?
I'm like leaning on the table at this point, ready to pass
I
out.
think it's the butter and the ghee that's hitting you.
My favorite Mysore pak is on the table for dessert.
With a dash of ghee added on top of it.
I have absolutely no space, but I can't stop myself.
Yes. Okay, so that's the end of our meal, and
I need a bed.
She needs a bed, and I understand why this dosa place has gone viral completely.
Yeah, and there's gonna be a line very soon, and people giving us like the side eye to
Dirty
be like, "Can you
looks.
get out so we can eat?" So yeah, this has been amazing. Thank you so much, guys.
So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up.
And comment below if you have tried this dosa, and if you haven't, what are you doing? Come here.
See you. Bye.